Good morning, Colorado, and welcome to today's issue of Colorado Mortgage and Home Loan Rate Update. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of October, and not a whole lot of news today. In the rates go up category, I generously put construction spending up, not a major impact, and I also put auto sales were up, and it was primarily up based upon truck sales for businesses. So it's not really the consumer that's going out and purchasing new vehicles. The rates go down category. The Dow is again down to over 240 some odd points. It was down yesterday, and the last 4 or 5 days it's been down, so it's really been hammered. And once again, we still have all the problems with Greece. And here's what's happening in the mortgage-backed securities market. As you can see, we actually opened up lower this morning, and we're actually in the negative. We're down 24 basis points. And let me scoot over, because one of the features I really like is I can see what the other top producers, loan officers, are actually recommending. And right now they're recommending locking. And I'm sure the reason for that is, anytime when you are able to get favorable pricing, that's the best time to lock. And it does make a big difference when you do lock. So even from here to there, can actually save your clients a lot of money. As far as what the lenders are actually doing, you can see it's really a mixed bag. A third of them have improved their pricing a little bit, and 2/3 of them have actually decreased it. So you can see that a lot of the investors have actually increased their rates today. This is what the other mortgage market timing services are recommending. Rate Alert is if you're closing within 7 days, go on lock. And they're very cautious too. And once again, if they see price improvement, go on and float. Otherwise, if it gets worse like it is right now, they'll recommend locking. And the daily rate lock advisory, their position is changed from 7 days out to 20 days. In summary, we still have the problems in Greece. Don't want you to forget about Italy and Spain. There's still major problems, and Greece may be forced to wait until November for desperately needed cash for the bailout, which means that they may still go on default in the meantime. The European Central Bank may open credit windows for other shaky banks. And you got to remember, when the euro was formed back in, I think, 1999, there's 17 countries that they're responsible for. So it is really difficult to manage. And as I mentioned before, the Dow was down over 250 points. The Fed started their Operation Twist yesterday. I think they bought like $4 billion of long-term, I think it was 30-year treasuries yesterday. And today they're supposed to buy 4 to 5 billion of 10-year. It'll be interesting to see how all that shapes up. As I mentioned before, construction spending and auto sales were up, but not much of a market mover. Factory orders, they were expected to come in a little bit low, and there was no surprise. They came in as expected, slight decline. Bernanke speaks too, and anytime when he speaks, the market's going to take a look and will respond to that. So if he says things that are positive about the economy, rates will actually get worse, and if it's still kind of the doom and gloom, the bonds will improve, and the Colorado mortgage rates will actually improve also. So we'll have to wait and see exactly what he says. Now, the thought of the day: true and pure joy comes from giving, and that's really true. And when you give, it doesn't have to always be money. If you give of yourself, give of your time, it makes a world of difference. And when you can see the smile that you put on someone else's face just by even smiling at them, something as simple as that, goes a long way. As always, if you're looking at buying your Colorado home, I can help you with the financing. Also, if you're looking at refinancing your Colorado mortgage, I can assist you there and give you the proper advice you need. And I'm available 24/7. And if you enjoyed today's edition of Colorado Mortgage and Home Loan Rate Update, go on and click the like button below and share it with your family and friends because they too could benefit from this valuable information. And as always, wanting only the best for you. Take care.